Hello, my friend. This is the story of a boy named Alex. Alex wanted to learn English, but he felt very afraid. Every day, Alex saw many English words. The words looked difficult. The sentences looked long. Sometimes, he wanted to give up. One night, Alex had a simple idea. He decided to learn English with simple sentences. The first sentence was very short. I am happy. Alex read the sentence again and again. At first, Alex spoke very quietly. He felt shy, but he continued practicing every day. Alex dreamed about speaking English confidently one day. He wanted to travel and meet new people. Every morning, Alex carried his books to school. Inside his bag, there was always a small English notebook. Alex listened carefully in class. He wrote simple English sentences in his notebook. One day, Alex wrote, "My name is Alex." It was a small sentence, but it made him smile proudly. At night, Alex read simple English stories. He did not understand every word, but he continued reading. Alex also listened to English every day. Slowly, English sounded less scary. Every morning, Alex practiced simple sentences in front of the mirror. Soon, Alex learned new sentences. How are you? I am fine, thank you. One day, Alex tried speaking English with a friend for the first time. The conversation was very short, but Alex felt extremely happy. He realized he could really speak English. Sometimes, Alex made mistakes. He forgot words. He used wrong grammar. But Alex learned something important. Mistakes are part of learning. Every evening, Alex practiced again. Little by little, he became stronger. Alex learned English one small step at a time. Sometimes he studied for many hours. Sometimes he felt tired, but he never stopped trying. There were difficult days too. Sometimes English felt impossible. But Alex always remembered his dream. He wanted a better future. So he opened his notebook again and continued practicing. Alex practiced speaking slowly and clearly every day. Soon, Alex started enjoying English stories and simple books. Every day, he learned a few new words and simple sentences. One day, Alex even helped another student practice English. Now, English no longer felt scary. Learning became fun. Alex finally believed in himself. He knew he could improve. And now, Alex wants to tell you something important. Start with simple sentences. Practice every day. Never give up. One day, you will proudly say, I can speak English. Thank you for watching this English learning story. I hope this story helps you feel more confident with English. Remember, small steps every day can create big results. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and never give up. See you again in the next story, my friend.